My name's Shannon Pierce. I'm the project manager for SubDev on the subdivision that is called Rolling Meadows. We bought 40 acres. We platted it, developed it, put in the roads. We built the house pads, put in all the utilities. It's all on 1 acre. Each lot is 1 acre. The houses are 2,500 to 3,000 square foot homes.
We're moving 23 houses for Shannon Pierce. We're moving the houses. They did a Texas Flip and Move, came in and did a TV show, and they built all these houses, but they didn't have the pads quite ready yet. So we're moving, as they build pads, we're moving the houses to the correct pads.
A lot of movers do not have the equipment that Davie Shoring has. This particular trailer that we use will raise houses 7 feet in the air. It'll tilt the houses. You'll see here in a little bit, it'll tilt the houses. We can go across the bar ditches, through creeks, over roads, and there's not any place, I don't think, that Davie Shoring couldn't get a house. Warren is not only knowledgeable, but he's hands-on. He calls in, he checks on us, checks how things going. All of his guys, at the end of the day, we sit down, we talk about how we're supposed to do this. His engineer calls in, checks on the foundations, makes sure that we're not having any problems. So if I had to recommend somebody here in town, I'd still go outside of town and go all the way to Louisiana. And Davie Shoring comes highly recommended, not only from me, but from others in the house moving realm. Moving these houses is an art. A lot of people say they can do house moving, but until you see what Davie Shoring and Warren and all of his crews can actually do, you can't really put a price on that.